Hi, it's Mark, and we're back here today to talk about constipation and what we can do about it with the Dolphin Neurostim in just a few minutes. The high stress of modern life can inhibit easy, natural bowel movements because those easy, natural bowel movements are a result of peristaltic activity, which requires low stress and parasympathetic action. Another big problem is sitting. We often sit at work. We sit on the way to and from work, and we sit at home, relaxing after work. This combination of high stress and sitting can lead to constipation. You can try this 1-minute technique to treat constipation. It's only 2 acupuncture points, and I'm going to demonstrate how to find them now. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate how to find and treat these 2 points of the constipation protocol. Our first point is triple warmer 6. And that's found 4 fingers from the posterior wrist crease, 4 fingers centrally. It's going to be approximately there. You can verify that first. There's our point. So I'm going to mark that a little here. And we're going to find stomach 36, 4 fingers below the patella, and then 2 fingers lateral from the tibial tuberosity. It's going to be about there. And we'll confirm that location. And it's right there. So I'm going to keep treating that point. And we're going to circuit it with this point. And whenever possible, we're going to treat opposite limbs. I'm just going to switch over and find his. Can you bend your wrist back for me, Ryan? There? Thank you. And you can relax again. It's going to be right about there. There. We have a good circuit going. It's about 20 seconds together, and then we're going to switch limbs. That's the 2-point constipation protocol, or the poop protocol. There's a good circuit, so 20 seconds on these points, and we'll be done. And this is going to be a self-treatment protocol. So we're going to start by finding stomach 36, which is 4 fingers below the patella, and then 2 fingers lateral to the tibial trochanter, the front big knob on the front of your knee. And right about there is going to be stomach 36. The second point is triple warmer 6, which is 4 fingers proximal from the posterior wrist crease in between these 2 bones, the radius and the ulna. It's about there. And I'm going to treat my opposite leg and arm. So I'm going to use my left hand to hold this dolphin to treat my right leg, stomach 36. And I'm going to use my right hand to treat my left arm, triple warmer 6. Both units are on negative. And now I'm going to circuit those 2 points for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to make my way to the bathroom. These 2 points will reduce stress in the body. That helps the parasympathetic system self-activate. And stomach 36 is going to stimulate some of the action in the abdominal muscles to help that peristalsis initiate. So it's a natural, safe, harmless way to treat constipation for yourself quickly or for others. And while it's normal for bowel movements to range between 3 times a day and 3 times a week, and it is important to make dietary and lifestyle changes, this is just an example of what you can do in addition to that to empower your own nervous system that normally manages your bowel movements automatically for you. So that's our approach, and give that a try and let us know what you think.